So what we're going to be doing today is changing the air filter. Very simple job to do. Doesn't require any expertise as such, just a few basic tools. And I'm not the basic tool, by the way. Some would disagree with you there. So what you need is a 8mm socket, and it's just a case of removing 3 bolts. So just to run you through it while I'm doing it, this is the air intake box, that is the air intake hose, and that is your MAF sensor. If for any reason you have smoke coming out of your exhaust, this could be one of the reasons that you have a dirty air filter, faulty MAF sensor, or splits in your air intake pipe. So there we go, absolutely filthy air filter, so we need a new one. Nice clean air filter, and just pop it back in there. So if you're wondering how to take the actual box out, it just lifts out like that. If you just want to get to your engine mount there, just lifts out, pops back in. So you should have a bolt there, a bolt there, and a bolt there, and I've only got 3 on this, but these are the bolt down type, so these are the best ones, to be honest, because it gives a better, tighter seal if you've got all the bolts, that is. So you just put the bolts back in. Tighten that back up. This is a 7mm, not the 8mm. Having said that, it might not be, well, it is an 8mm, but sound of it, feel that. Normally the Jubilee clips are 7. Feels a bit loose, did that one, so we're going to tighten that back up. And there you go. That is how you change your air filter. This is a Ford Transit Connect 2011, but this will work for most Fords and diesel engines and petrol engines. Locate your air filter box, locate the bolts and screws, disconnect what you need to disconnect, and change the air filter. Hope you got something out of this video. Like and follow for more. Thanks for watching.